Hello guys and welcome to our channel. In this video I will show you how to do this viral trend right here. It's a Portuguese one. You have to add a photo with your smile. So let me show you how to do it. First of all, we have to click on the search icon from the bottom of the screen, and here you have to search for my account, which is Alien John YTT. And then from my page you have to go to new stickers, add highlights. Don't go to my story because that will expire in just a few hours, so you may not find it there. So here you have to click until you find the desired one, and you will also find many other viral stickers, for example this one or this one and many others, as you can see. So there we have it. Click on the add yours button, and if you are not able to click on the add yours button, once I'll do the story, I'll show you from where you can get a tutorial to help you solve your problem. So now to our story, go to upload and choose a photo with your smile. So I'll go with this photo of my boyfriend. You can place your sticker where you want, make it bigger or smaller, and you can share it with your friends once you're happy with it. So now let me show you. If you are not able to click on the add yours button, what can you do? From my page you have to go to super viral, add highlights, and here you will find the first story, which is not able to click on add yours button. Then you can click on this YouTube link right here. So yeah guys, that's it. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, you can like this video and you can also subscribe to our channel. And if you have some questions, you can go ahead and ask them in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching guys. Have a great day. Bye bye.